Hi everyone, it's JoJo, and I want to show you this kit. It's a beautiful kit. It's by Pertiet's Designs. I am her design team member for this month, for this kit exclusively. So I thought that I would bring you along and let you check it out. And I love that she's included moths and butterflies in it. I think it is just beautiful, and I love all of her layers. Isn't that just so pretty? Katie does a lot of scrapbook pages too. So I think she's going to venture into the junk journal kits. And I'm excited about it because I absolutely love this kit and I can't wait to start working with it. And I love the way that the butterfly and the moth are in the background. And then this one here, it says Natural History, English Moths and Butterflies by Moses Harris. Isn't that pretty? I love the antique look to her pages. Them pretty butterflies. Now with this page, you could either cut out these butterflies individually. You can use it as the page alone. But I thought that I would do both. And then that gives me extra ephemera. And it's all, you know, in one set. And then this one here is like book pages that have been scanned in, is what it reminds me of. Maybe well, I guess it's either way. Is that pretty? I thought that this page would be perfect for not only like a cover in your book, you know, but I thought that it would be really pretty to cut out some belly bands or make bookmarks with it, even pockets. This would make, you know, just a really pretty pocket. And then this is the ephemera page. See, there is lots here. And depending on how you print, I am going to show you how to make the most out of what you have. Beautiful kit, lovely. It has plenty to it. There's enough for a completed journal, but I thought that I would throw in some extras. I really love this kit, and I'm hoping to help Katie out. But I printed the butterflies bigger. They're small over here. And with mine, if I go into my File Explorer, I can right click on what I want and go in and print how many I want and then make them bigger. So I really I like the idea that I can do that with these. And this gives you a bigger detail of the butterflies. Isn't that pretty? And again, this is the size that they are originally, and this is the size that I printed them out to be. And then these cards, here are the cards originally, right here, the small ones. And I made them bigger so I can make them into small little book covers. Again, with the circles, this is the size they are. And this is the size I printed them. And this way I can make them into pockets. And then I made the tags bigger, so that way you can have your choice on what size that you would like to have. Now I could make these smaller too. I just didn't do that, and maybe I should have for this video. But Katie has beautiful, beautiful work. I love these butterflies here. And that's pretty much what the rest of these pages are. Just showing you how that I've made them bigger. I have a really special project planned. I love this butterfly too. Or maybe that's a moth. Sometimes it's hard to tell. So the rest of these pages here are just where that I have printed more and made them bigger. So let me go back to the kit. I'm sorry. There's actually 2, 3, 6 journaling pages and 1 page of ephemera with the kit, but you can make it bigger or smaller, you know, just depending on what you want to do. I really love this kit and I can't wait to work, and I hope that I do Katie proud. Again, I'm going to leave a link below so that way you can go check out her site and look at all of her neat papers and stickers. And she is an awesome designer and has some of the most beautiful things. So if you like this video, please click like and subscribe, and go check out Katie's website. And I will be back shortly for another walkthrough and a giveaway. So see you soon. Bye-bye.